Welcome all. Myself Jishayas, M3 SCCM, Department of Civil Engineering, SNIT, Adur. Construction methods and equipment. The next topic is scaffolding. A temporary elevated platform and its supporting structure used for supporting workmen, materials, or both in the construction or repair of building and other large structures. The term scaffold is very important because during a construction without scaffolding cannot be completed properly. Proper care must be taken in making the scaffold because a good scaffold can hold the workers and other necessary materials together. So when we will able to make a proper scaffold, only after then we can build a proper building. Types of scaffold. The following are different types of scaffolds used commonly. First one is bricklayer scaffold, mason scaffold, steel or tubular scaffolds, needle scaffolds, and wooden scaffolds. Bricklayer scaffold. It consists of vertical members called standards at 2.4 to 3 meter apart. The standards are connected by ledges, and transverse horizontal members called buttocks are lashed on the ledges at one end and into the hole in the wall at the other end. In high scaffolding, cross braces are invariably used to stiffen the temporary structures. This is the figure for the bricklayer scaffolds. Second one is mason scaffolds. In mason scaffolds, two frames of standards, ledges, and braces are used. One is placed close to the wall and other is at a distance of 1.5 meter from the first one. Thus, the mason scaffolds is entirely independent of the stone wall. Third one is steel scaffold. Steel scaffolds consist of steel tubes of 38 mm to 64 mm diameter and steel couplets are fittings. In this type of scaffolds, the vertical tubes called uprights or standards are spaced 2.5 to 3 meter apart. Ledges are connecting the standard are spaced at 1.8 meter vertically apart, and potlogs have special ends to fit into the joints in the walls. Tubular scaffolding mounted on wheels can be used for carrying out the work of painting the walls, underside of the roofs, etc. This is the figure for the steel scaffold. Fourth one is needle scaffold. Needle scaffold is used for the building on the side of the busy street. The scaffold is erected from the window corners by means of projecting needles, that is timber beams. From inside, the needles are supported on sawed pieces and the projected end of the needle is supported by an inclined stud. The joint between the inclined stud and the needle is clamped by means of dogs. This is a figure for needle scaffolds. And last one is wooden scaffold. There are two different types of wooden scaffolds. First one is gantry with travelers or cranes. The second one is platform gantry. Gantry with travelers. When the stone blocks used in the wall constructions are too heavy, cranes, travelers are used. The framework of gantry consists of timber standards raised on either side of the wall. Next one is platform gantry. The platform gantry is adopted in stone masonry construction as it can be used independent of wall. The gantry consists of vertical posts fixed to a common sword piece and it is base and it is head pieces of the top. This is platform gantry. This is a figure for the wooden scaffolds. Thank you.